Is your pool cloudy even after you shocked it? Well, stop wasting your time and money. I'll show you how I get this pool crystal clear in 5 easy steps, and it's a lot cheaper than what the pool stores are pushing. Step 1 is balancing your pool chemistry. I have a couple videos in the description talking about pool chemistry below, but right now you're going to use a test strip, and mainly you're going to focus on pH and alkalinity to start with. Step 2 is shock your pool. This bag is for about 13,000 gallons. This is a 7,500 gallon pool. If my pool were super cloudy, I'd put the whole bag in. You want enough chlorine in there to oxidize any biological particles in there, and you want to make sure everything is dead. So shock your pool and shock it well. You're not going to be swimming in it for a couple days anyway. Step 3 is to add a polymer-based water clarifier. What these do is they bind to the tiny little particles in your pool and help your filter pull them out. This one I got at Lowe's. It's a lot cheaper than the water clarifiers they try to sell you at the pool store. Follow the directions on the bottle and drizzle it around the perimeter of your pool. Step 4, now this is the secret sauce right here. This is diatomaceous earth. Unfortunately, if you have a cartridge filter, you can't use this, but for sand filters, this is the finishing touch, the pièce de résistance to get your pool resort quality clear. Now, this is a 1/4 cup. My pool will probably handle about a 1/2 cup. You're gonna have to keep an eye on your pressure gauge because this will increase pressure in your filter. If your pressure gauge starts going into the yellow territory, you're gonna have to backwash and rinse and start over. What you're gonna do is you're gonna add this to your filter. I'll show you how. You're gonna take your diatomaceous earth and you're gonna add some pool water and you're gonna mix it up into a slurry. Once you have the slurry, add it into your skimmer and this will take it into your filter. Now just remember, like I said, keep an eye on that pressure gauge on your sand filter. I'm not gonna put the whole thing in, my pool doesn't need it. Keep an eye on your pressure. Once the pressure starts getting too high, backwash and rinse. You may need to repeat the step, you may not. Step 5 is just letting your filter run. It might take up to 5 to 7 days for your pool to be absolutely crystal clear. Like I say, keep an eye on that pressure gauge, backwash and rinse when necessary. Now after you backwash, you can do the diatomaceous earth again, but I would wait a week before doing more polymer because the polymer's probably already done its job. And that's it. You're gonna have a perfectly crystal clear pool. You're gonna save yourself some money from not having to go to the pool store while they try to oversell a bunch of hyped up chemicals. Please like and subscribe and check out the other videos below on how I show you how to chemically balance pools for a lot cheaper than what the pool stores try to sell you. Thanks again. Bye.